The AppYourWay app consists of a landing page. When a person opens the app, you'll notice on the left-hand side the menu items which you've created. On the right-hand side is a half page. That half page is the landing page. You can configure that to anything you'd like. When the user selects these three bars or swipes from right to left, it will reveal the landing page entirely. And again, you can make this to anything you'd like. It could be a message, you could sell the spot to a vendor. The choices are all yours. Perhaps a seasonal message. And so this custom screen can be modified by you as often as you like. So to see how that happens is we'll go back to parse. You'll select the background image class on the left-hand side. Now again, don't get hung up about these titles at the top. You can move your column titles to anything you'd like to match these simply by selecting the column title and moving it around. But in our case, I just wanted to show you what this looked like from our perspective. And so here, what we have is the device type. So for every device type, you have to have an image. And the image needs to be a JPEG image, an image as small as possible, because the larger the image, the slower that it uploads or downloads to your device. So on the left-hand side, you'll notice the device title. So iPhone 6 Plus, iPhone 6, iPhone 5 for the iPad, the tablets, and the Android. The tablet and the Android, the tablet is the same as the iPad, and the Android is the same as the iPhone 5. So for each one of these, simply create an image of any type, a JPEG image, that consists of these sizes in terms of landscape, so 2208 times 1110 pixels, in this case for the iPhone 6 Plus, and then the portrait sizes, 1242 by 2080. Now once you've done that, place those on your own server where you can find them. If you're able to access your web server, that's where you'd store them in a folder. In our case, we have it in a folder, and we have the image as a JPEG within that folder. To test that that works, you can simply copy the content and paste it into a new tab on your browser, and you should see your image. Having said that, create that for each one of these. So in effect, you'll have 5 landscape images and 5 portrait images with these sizes, and you can then duplicate by copying and pasting for the Android from iPhone 5 and from the iPad for tablet. Once you've done that, when someone launches your app, they'll now see this new series of images that you've created.